Patanjali responds to Ayush Ministry's directive saying that the data set of trial papers shows 1 month is still left for trial to complete. Patanjali adds that the initial trial has been conducted on mild and moderate symptomatic patients. Serious patients are excluded. That's the response now coming from Patanjali. Remember, the Ministry of Ayush had asked Patanjali to stop advertising and publishing claims about a purported cure for COVID-19 until fully examined by competent authorities. Let me go across to Ayushman joining us live with more inputs. Ayushman, this is important because here we have an official response from Patanjali coming after the Ministry of Ayush called out the company for certain irregularities, perhaps because there were publishing of claims about COVID cure, which the ministry said has to go through a competent authority. There are certain regulations in this respect. But now tell us a bit about what Patanjali has said in response to that.
Well, Afrida, first of all, Patanjali's Acharya Balakrishan yesterday tweeted saying there was some kind of miscommunication, which we checked from the Ayush Ministry. From their side, it was not, but Patanjali says that there is some kind of miscommunication in this. They have submitted the data set of the clinical trial that is taking place, Afrida, and in that it has been mentioned that it will be taking, they had applied in the month of May, and it has been mentioned there in the data set that 2 months will be required for this clinical trial. Now, it is 1 month has only completed, and it is clearly said there that only the mild and moderate symptom people have been included in the clinical trial. We know that mild and moderate symptom people are sent for the home isolation, and not much of medication is needed as per the health ministry. The severe patients, the clinical trial is still pending, and the Patanjali has said that they are open to any kind of communication, and they will clear all the doubts with the Ayush Ministry. But the paper, the data set that they have given to the Ayush Ministry clearly states that still the severe patients, on them the clinical trial is still to take place, but the company has come out with a product which possibly says that it's a possible cure of COVID-19, which was yesterday contested by the Ayush Ministry.
Right. All right. Thanks, Ayushman, for joining us with the latest inputs on this.